Hello, in front of me I've got Yamaha MusicCast 20. In this video I'll show you how to play music from the speaker. Once you've set up your speaker in the MusicCast app, go to Bluetooth settings on your smartphone or any other device. Select Pair New Device. And now select your speaker. Mine is named Garage Bluetooth. Confirm. And it's active. As you can see, this icon is also on, which means it works. Now go to MusicCast. Select your speaker. And now we can select source to play our music. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.